This system doesn't wait for a command. By the time a human reacts, it's already firing. The Phalanx CIWS is designed to do one thing: stop incoming threats before they hit. Missiles, drones, anything moving fast enough to be a problem. And it doesn't rely on someone pulling a trigger, it handles the entire process on its own. Detection, tracking, targeting, firing, all in seconds. Because at the speeds these threats move, there is no time to think. Incoming missiles can travel at high velocity, closing distance rapidly, which means hesitation isn't an option. So the system removes hesitation entirely. It uses radar to scan the surrounding area continuously, looking for objects moving in ways that match a threat profile. Once something is identified, it locks on, and from that point, everything accelerates. The system calculates trajectory, predicts movement, and prepares to intercept, all in real time. No pause, no confirmation, just execution. Then comes the part you can't miss: the gun. A multi-barrel rotary cannon capable of firing thousands of rounds per minute. Not for suppression, not for warning, for interception. Because it's not trying to hit a target once, it's trying to put enough rounds into the path of an incoming object to destroy it before it reaches its destination. And at that speed, there's no room for adjustment after the fact. Everything has to be right the first time. Now think about what it's actually doing. It's not aiming where the target is, it's aiming where the target will be. Constantly adjusting, tracking micro movements, correcting in real time. Because the moment that calculation is off, the window is gone. And then you realize something. This entire system exists because human reaction time isn't fast enough. Not for this. Not at these speeds. So instead of making humans faster, the system removes them from the loop, at least in the moment that matters most. And that changes how defense works. Because now the decision isn't happening in your hands. It's happening inside the system. Based on data, speed, and timing. Now zoom out. This isn't just about one weapon. It's about what happens when systems are built to operate faster than human response, where detection and action collapse into the same moment. No delay, no second chance, just a narrow window, and a system designed to close it.